Hi, I'm Emily Douglin, and we've been here in Bristol today to talk about the future of local government with Solace and some chief executives and future chief executives. What was really interesting about today is some of the points that were coming out of the session. It was around empowering communities to take on decisions and moving some of the accountability into the communities to create community resilience. And in addition to that, it's about the councils deciding before inception why they want to engage and how best to engage to get the outcome that they want. One of the points that came out of this afternoon was around moving from consultation to engagement and why that's important, and what we need to do to ready citizens for the change of conversation. We really appreciated our local government partners joining us today from the session, because it's integral that we understand their needs both in the present and into the future, so we can deliver the best possible support for them. The reflections of today will enable us to think more innovatively about the technology and how we support local government in the future.